always remember those nights when we first started dating. I've never connected with someone so easily as you. We would stay up late just talking for hours, finding thing after thing that we connected on. We seemed to have all the same views, values, and aspirations for life. It seemed like it was all too good to be true. But here we are, 7 years later. Through those years, we've grown and evolved with each other, and you've shown me a love that I didn't know was possible. We've been through so many major life events that have bonded us and tested us already. Moving to BC, career changes, buying a house, planning this wedding. Through every major life event that we've been through, we've only grown stronger. And it just makes me more and more sure that I want to spend the rest of my life with you. There really is something special about you. You're so thoughtful and caring, and genuinely happy putting other people's needs before yourself. You're someone who wants to make the most of life and won't settle for anything less. And that's someone that I want to be around.
Derek, our relationship has come a long way since it first began nearly 7 years ago. We were best friends when we started dating, and I am proud to say that to this day, you are still my best friend. I am in awe that I can be around you so much and never get sick of you. You make me feel whole.
Remember I said it felt like it was too good to be true at the beginning? Well, it still feels like that. And I get to feel that every day. I feel so lucky that I get to spend the rest of my life with you.
Derek, you are my rock, my foundation, the calm to my storm, the relaxed to my sometimes crazy, the logical, rational, patient, and nurturing one. Somehow you have all the words I need to hear when I am at my lowest points. You have this aura about you that is grounding. So today I give you my vows. I vow to always support you and to love you. I vow to keep adventuring with you, to seeing the world with you, and to never stop learning together. I vow to listen to you, to respect you. I vow to stand beside you, even when things aren't easy. I vow to be a better communicator and to continue to work things out, even when I mess up. I promise to be patient with you, thoughtful and kind, and to never stop growing and adapting cohesively together. I vow to love you for all the days of my life.
I have so much excitement for the things we're going to accomplish in life and the stages we'll go through. Adventure and travel, and one day slow down and start a family. And by that I mean get a dog. Grandkids too one day. I can't wait to do it all. And I know life won't always be easy, and it'll have its ups and downs. So I promise to be there through it all. I promise to always be there for you, to be by your side, to hold you and support you, and be there when you need me the most. I promise to be there to motivate you and encourage you to achieve the great things in life that I know you're capable of. I promise to continually improve and work on myself and be the best version of myself, because that's what you deserve. I promise to continue chasing that spark of those nights when we first met and make time with you a priority. And through the day-to-day, I promise not to let the monotony of life dull our sense of adventure that's made our life so fun. We still have so much life left to live, and I can't wait to do it with you. These are my vows to you, and because I know these words can only say so much, I promise to show you for the rest of my life just how much I love you.